Step 1. Download this free software. Step 2. Click this button to generate your free articles. Step 3. Copy and paste this article on your blog post. Hey guys, do you know you can build a blogger with your website for free? And you can promote CLICKBANK products, or you can promote Amazon products as well. If you always wanted to create a blogger site where you can promote Amazon product or CLICKBANK products, then keep watching this video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can create blogger website, actually blogger with your website where you can promote CLICKBANK product or Amazon product. But before we start this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos and any updates. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Step 1. Set up your blogger site. So in order to create your blogger site or set up your blogger site, you want to open up the Google web browser, and then you want to click on these 9 dots here. So once you click on it, and then you want to find the blogger, and you want to click on the blogger. So once you click on it, it will take you to this interface. As you can see here, it's shows something like this. And then if you want to create new blogger, what you want to do is you want to click on this arrow here. So once you click on it, and then you want to click on new, as you can see here, and just click on it, and you want to title to your site, like I'm going to create fishing or video site, so I'm going to give fishing XO, so fishing XO, and then I'm gonna click on next. And now you have to give your blogger site address, like you can give it any name like that. Okay, if the address is not available, then you can add some numbers on it to make that available. So once you're done, then you want to click on save. And I'm not going to click on save because I've already done it. So just click on cancel. So we have successfully created now a blog. Now let's see how it's look like. It's look like, by the way, this. Okay, then this is the default, and this not look professional. This is the normal and look shit to me. Now let's make up this theme. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use third-party theme. And you can download free themes from the third-party websites like this. As you can see, there is a bunch of free themes you can select, and you can use it on your blogger site. What you want to write is you want to write the blogger theme, blogger templates site, and you want to just download any templates. I've already downloaded, so I'm going to install that theme into my account, into my blogger site. Okay, so just click on you want to go to the blogger site, then you want to click on theme here, and then you want to click on this little arrow, just click on it, and you want to click on restore, just click on it, and then you want to click on upload. Okay, just click on it as well. So once you download your templates, your theme, it would be a zip file. You have to unzip, and you would find the file like XML documents. You want to select, and you want to click open. So it has been restored successfully. Now if you go to your site and click on refresh, and boom, our template has been restored. So now first thing first is we're going to change our logo. So let's do this. And if you want to create logo, what you can do is you can go to the canva.com, and you can create an account with Canva, and you can create logo from here. Okay, so now let's go back to our blogger, and then you want to click on layout, and then you want to find header logo, or if you use any other theme, you just want to find header logo, and you want to click on this pencil icon to edit your logo. And now what you want to do is you want to click on this, and you want to select your file from your computer. So as you can see, I've uploaded my logo, and just I have to click on save here. Just let me click on it, and boom, we save successfully. Now let me see how it's to look like. Boom, it looks cool. It doesn't look cool, but you get my point. Now let's delete this menu from here. So in order to delete that menu, we have to go back to our blogger backend, and then you want to click on the header menu, pencil icon, and you want to scroll down. So by the way guys, we're not going to delete our home page. So this home page, we're not going to delete that. So what we're gonna do is we're going to delete all other stuff from here like that. Just keep deleting, click on it, and you'll be able to delete everything from here. Like you have to leave the home page, okay? And we're going to add our new menu. Like you wanna just click on, let me show you. You wanna just click on the add menu here, just click on it, and you wanna name your menu like fish. And by the way guys, we're going to give URL here after we create the first post. Then you wanna click on save, and it would close automatically. So if you refresh our page, you're gonna show fish. As you can see, we have successfully made our menu. And now what we're gonna do is we're going to delete this stuff from here, the social media buttons and the video from here. So just you wanna come back to your Blogger backend and scroll down. As you can see, sidebar and follow us. And what you wanna do is just turn this off. You can delete it if you want, but I'm just turned it off, and you wanna click on save. Guys, now you have to find the subscribers and turn that off as well. Boom. Okay, so we have just removed those two elements from here, as you can see. And in this area, we're going to show up our Amazon website. So we have successfully created set up our blog. Now let me show you, if you want to sub menu of the fish, now how you can do it is that you want to go to the, so what you want to do is you want to click on header menu here and pencil icon, and you want to click on add new menu, and you want to type underscore and type big fish, and you want to click on save. And save, we type underscore, that's why you automatically would go to our sub menu of fish. As you can see, it's fish and big fish. Okay, so that's how you enter sub menu. Step 2, generate and copy and paste articles. As I told you before guys, I'm going to create a fishing video site. So if you want to create hair loss video site, if you want to create weight loss video site, you can download software. Link will be description below. You can download all these three, or you can download more. If I found the software, I will provide a link in the description. So you want to double click on it, and then just let me close it. Okay, just let me close it again, and you want to double click on again, and you want to click on the fishing video site builder.exe. Just double click on it, and it would show up something page like this, and you want to click on use the software now. Now is show up new page, so you want to close that. Just close it. So you want to click here to use this site builder. You can read about it if you want, but we're not going to do that. Just click on this button, and you want to give it name to your site and the address of your site. You're not going to give a real address. We're just going to give any fake address, because we're going to copy the articles into our blogger. Okay, so once you've done it, everything here, so what you want to do is click on create button. So I'm not going to do that because I've already created. So it give you I think 100 to 200 articles, so you can copy and paste into your blogger site. So just let me close it and show you how it's look like when you generate the articles. So when you generate the articles, it would look like this, and just you want to double click on it to open the articles, and it would open in your web browser. Okay, you can see that's the HTML file. That's why you open in the web browser. What you want to do is you want to click copy this and paste into the Google Doc, as I've already done it. Let me show you. So here, as you can see, you want to copy, and what you want to do is you want to add p tag on every single paragraphs. You want to open the p tag, and you want to add close p tag and every single paragraph. because we're going to use HTML code in our Blogger site. So now let me go back to our dashboard in Google Doc. So code we're going to use is HTML code, and now let me give you code quickly. So you can find the link description below of this code as well. So now let me copy all the code. So once you copy your code, what you want to do is you want to come to your Blogger backend and click on post and click on new post, and you want to paste. Make sure you select HTML view and you want to paste your code here. Okay, as you can see, this is code. In the between your text and end your text, you want to paste your articles. Okay, so let me copy the articles quickly. And again guys, make sure you add p tag on every single paragraph. Just copy and paste in the here. Okay, now if you preview, just let me preview it so we can see what's going on. So as you can see guys, our article has been displayed, has been in our blog post. So what we're gonna do is we're going to display our video in here. So in order to do that, you want to go to your site where you open your page. Then you want to click on the video title. It will take you to YouTube. By the way guys, this is someone else's video, but we use this video because this creator allow us to site. As you can see, it's allow us to embed this video in our site. That's why we use this video. So what you want to do is you want to copy this ID. Just you want to copy this ID. Just copy it, copy the ID, and you want to go to your Blogger. You want to go to your site, and you want to replace this YouTube ID with your copied ID. And if we preview this now, you're going to see the video. So as you can see here. So one more thing I want to mention here is, so just click on publish here now so I can show you something. So once you click on publish, so there is one more thing I have to mention. So there is no image in this future image, and we have to add title as well. So let's do that. First we have add title on it. So let's go back and copy this title from here and come back to and paste your title here, and we just successfully add title. So as I told you, the image is not show up here. So we're going to show up image here. As what we're gonna do is we're going to upload image in here. Just from our computer, just click on this icon and you're able to upload your image. And you want to choose your file, click on this image and select an original size and center and click OK. As you can see guys, we just upload our image into our post and click on update, and let's refresh it. As you can see, it's showing in here, but if we click on it, so there is a problem. Both images show up like this, but we don't want to show up this image in our post. So what we're gonna do is we're going to after this style clear both, we're going to add display column, and we want to type none. Let me zoom in so you can see what we type here. So we type display and none and this. Okay, so you want to type this to the image. Just click on the update, and if you press the page, our would not show up. So now it's time to set up our thumbnail. So we're going to set up thumbnail. So what we're gonna do is, so this is our image. So let me show you by opening the, as you can see, this is our thumbnail image, and we're going to copy that, and you want to scroll down and you want to paste your thumbnail image in here. As you can see, your thumbnail image address, paste it here, that, and you want to click on update. If you see your congratulations, you have set up your own thumbnail on someone else's video, okay, on your Blogger. That's the cool stuff I wanted to mention here, guys. So you create we're going to add label. Okay, so like make sure you add label in here. Okay, so what label does is allow you to post in a specific page. Now let me show you how it works. What you want to do is you want to click on update, As you can see, this is big fish. We're going to add this post into the big fish specific page. Now let's do this. So you want to click on the refresh, and you will see the tag of main tags, and you want to click on big fish, and you're able to see the big fish, and you want to click on copy and paste. You want to copy the address like that, and you want to come back to your backend, and then you want to click on this arrow to go back. Let me update again, guys, here, because it's okay. Now go back to your backend, and then what you want to do is you want to click on layout, and you want to go to your menu. You want to add the big fish, and in the big fish here URL, you want to paste your URL here. So now what it does is, so when you take a big fish in every post, categorize in big fish. So let me show you how it works like that. If you click on fish, it's blocked, and if you click on the big fish, you're going to show up, okay? And if you click on home, it's going to show up as well. Now let me just another menu is example purpose, or let's say P. Just leave it empty, just save, and then refresh. So this P menu, there is nothing, that's the block. And if you click on the big fish, the post will be show up in the specific category. So by the help of label, you're able to categorize every single video with fish, big fish, or different type of fish, like stuff like that. Just play with it, guys. Step number 3, monetize your website. So in order to monetize, we are going to use Amazon Associate. You can create Amazon Associate by just click the link description below, and it would take you to the Amazon Associate, and you're able to create an account with Amazon Associate. So once you click on it, so what you want to do is you want to type here keyword like hook, and you want to click on go. You can see you find the loads of fishing hooks, fishing rods, whatever you want to select. Just select it. Just you want to click on the arrow here, and you can, we're not going to use that because we're going to get the link. So you want to click on get the link, and image, you can use image only, or you can text only, or you can use text and image, and you can add widgets as well. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use with the image. Now we're going to use just image. Just copy this code, okay? Just copy this code, and you go back to your Blogger dashboard, and you want to click on layout, and now we're going to add new widgets here, and we're going to add HTML and JavaScript, and give it title like aid, and paste your code here and click on save. Now if you go to your site, and you can see your blog has been monetized. So if someone click on it and buy the product, you will get commission. That's how you create affiliate blogger site. Okay, and if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how affiliate marketing works, and if you want to make real money from affiliate marketing, like money from affiliate marketing, just click the link description below, and you're able to learn about affiliate marketing. And thank you for watching this video.